Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and in today's video we're going to be discussing how to get a CDL Class A license. That's right, if you want to get a CDL Class A license, you want to wait till the end of the video so you have a full understanding of what you're going to get yourself into. But before you actually get started, you have to know what a CDL Class A license actually is. So by definition, this license is going to give you the access to drive any vehicle that weighs more than 26,000 pounds and has a trailer that weighs more than 10,000 pounds. So in the most common sense, it's going to be this tractor trailer right over here. So this entire vehicle, again, weighs more than 26,000 pounds, and of course, the trailer weighs more than 10,000 pounds. On the other side of the spectrum is a vehicle that most people don't even think they need a CDL license for, which is this right over here. This is going to be a pickup truck with a car carrier trailer behind it. Now, if you just look at the definition, if the overall vehicle now weighs more than 26,000 pounds and the trailer is rated to carry more than 10,000 pounds, in that case, you're going to need a CDL Class A license as well. That being said, if you're caught driving any of these vehicles without the proper license, your fine can be up to $5,000, and that can be pretty expensive. And that's just round one. If you get caught again, that fine can go up, and it's going to cost you a whole lot of time, a whole lot of money, and maybe even community service. So, to avoid all of that problems, let's just get it done the right way. Come to the best CDL school in the country here at Driving Academy. Find one of our locations and they will guide you through all the steps that I'm going to explain to you how to get a CDL Class A license. So now that we know exactly what a CDL Class A license is, let's break down the steps. Step number one, you're first going to have to make sure that you're eligible. What does that mean? You have to be at least 18 years of age or older. If you're 18 to 21, that means you can drive a CDL Class A license within your current state. If you're older than 21, that means you can actually drive anywhere in the country with your CDL Class A. Second thing is you have to have a Social Security and the ability to work legally in this country. As long as you have that, you're good to go. And then third thing is you have to make sure that you're healthy enough to pass a DOT physical. DOT stands for Department of Transportation. So once you have all three of those checks, which means you're of age, you have a social, and you're healthy enough to drive a tractor trailer, you are ready to rock and roll. Now, the first step of actually getting yourself a CDL license is passing your CDL permit exams. So what does this mean? These are going to be written exams that you're going to have to pass at the DMV. So you're going to need to take a minimum of 3 different tests: general knowledge, air brakes, and then combination vehicle. You can take extra tests on top of that called endorsements like tankers, hazmat, and doubles and triples. That just gives you the ability to drive more types of vehicles. For instance, if you want to drive a tanker, that means you're transporting things like liquid. If you want to drive doubles or triple trailers at the same time, that means you're going to need to get that endorsement. Or if you're going to be driving anything that's considered hazardous, you're also going to want to get that endorsement as well. But just for a normal CDL Class A license, you just need those 3 tests in order to pass. Now, when you're going to go to the DMV, you have to make sure that you're passing general knowledge first, and you want to get 80% or better, or else if you get anything lower, you do fail. After that, then you can pick whether you want to go air brakes or combination next. And again, you want to make sure that it's 80% or better because those are going to be the passing scores. It's going to be a multiple choice test done on the computer, which means you want to make sure you're studying the actual knowledge behind all this stuff, because what winds up happening with a lot of people who just study questions and answers to go and take this test, they wind up failing the first couple times simply because the DMV has thousands of questions they can ask you. And they can ask the same question in a few different ways. And if you just change one word in the question, it's a completely different answer. That being said, make sure you're studying the right way. The easiest thing to do is just come to Driving Academy. We're here to guide you through every step of the way. Now, once you have your CDL permit, now it's time to actually start learning how to drive the tractor trailer. Because now we have to get you ready on how to pass the 2.5-hour long road test. That's right, this test can take up to 2.5 hours to complete, which means you have to make sure you're dedicated throughout the entire training process. Now, in order to actually go for the CDL road test, you're going to have to go get certified by an approved training provider, like us here at Driving Academy. There's a few schools out there that say that they're training providers, but they're actually not. And the federal government actually just removed over 5,000 schools off of the list simply because they were not doing things correctly on the training side. All right, so when you go to your school, they're going to have to get you ready to pass that 2.5-hour long road test we were talking about, which is going to be split into 3 different parts. Part number 1 is going to be inspecting both the inside and outside of the vehicle. That's called the pre-trip inspection. Part number 2 is going to be parking the vehicle up to 4 different ways. And part number 3 is actually going to be driving the truck on the road itself. So while you're a student here at Driving Academy, we will guide you through each one of those parts in our training yard with our certified instructors to make sure that you're ready to rock and roll. That being said, the inspection itself is where most people do fail. Here you're going to have to learn how to inspect both the inside and outside of the vehicle. And you're going to have to memorize it pretty much a word-for-word script, because if you get one or two things wrong, that could be the difference between you passing and failing the actual test. Because if you fail on part one of the road test, that's it. Your test is done and you're going home. But if you do pass the first part of the test, now you get to go for the parking maneuvers. Now, in most states, there's going to be 4 different parking maneuvers that you have to get ready for. Parking maneuver number 1 is going to be a front bumper stop, which means you're going to pull forward and stop the front bumper within 2 sets of cones. Step number 2 is going to be straight line backing, so you're going to have to know how to back up a tractor trailer straight 100 feet. Number 3 is going to be a forward offset, which means you're going to have to be able to maneuver the vehicle around a cone without hitting anything. And step number 4 is going to be called a reverse offset, which is going to be a mixture between like an alley dock and a parallel parking with the actual tractor trailer itself. Once you've mastered all of those maneuvers, then and only then are you ready to go on to the third and final part of the road test, which is driving the truck on the road. Now, when it comes to driving the truck on the road, in most cases, you're going to be driving anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes on the road. And here you're going to have to make sure that you know how to operate the truck safely. And if you're taking a manual transmission vehicle, you want to make sure that you're shifting things correctly. Now, the thing you have to understand is if you take an automatic truck, the test will be easier, but you will have an automatic restriction on your license, which means that if you get your license in an automatic truck, you cannot drive manual transmission vehicles after the fact. If you get your license in an actual manual truck, that means you're open to drive any vehicle that you want. However, these are some things to avoid when it comes to driving on the road. Thing number 1, make sure you never run over a curb. You do that once and that's it, you fail. Now, the thing you have to understand is these tractor trailers are super long, which means it's very easy to not even to notice if you're making a right turn or a left turn, that back trailer tire can touch or run over the curb, and that's it, you fail. Another thing, if you are shifting, as an example, if you stall the vehicle, you're completely done. That's it for you. And there's a whole bunch of other things you can do that if you mess up once, your test is over with. That being said, getting the proper training is super important, and the school that you pick is going to be one of the most important decisions you can make when it comes to getting a CDL license. One of the cool things about Come to Driving Academy is that we actually offer guaranteed training courses in most of our locations, which means we can give you unlimited tries at the test, and you only have to pay one price. That's right. So even if you fail 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, just keep coming back. As long as you don't give up, we're not going to give up on you. On top of that, we're open up 7 days a week, which means you get to pick the training schedule around your needs. And we also make training super affordable. $500 down is all you need to get started, and we can work out an interest-free payment plan for the rest. We have locations spread out throughout the entire country. So if you're interested in getting started today, make sure you check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, and find a location near you. Our mission is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom. So what are you waiting for? cdldrivingacademy.com, and let's get you on the road to freedom today.
If you want to get your CDL, Driving Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldrivingacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.